Did John actually guide you, or you like said, "Hey, come on, I'm going to do this"?
It was actually a lot of fun for me, and it's something that I've actually been very athletic. Even when I was in school, I used to enjoy playing sports, and I feel doing this kind of stuff liberates me in certain ways. So I was really excited to do the stunts that were told to me in this film. I feel like it was just a carry forward from Akira, doing in the action space, and I feel this was the right film to portray a different type of action, more sleek, more stylized, very like amazing car chase sequences, high octane stunts and stuff. So it was really a fantastic experience, and I was matching John step by step, and he was very encouraging. And even though he made fun of me every now and then, but at the end of the day, he appreciated my work, which is what counts. And I guess everybody was happy, so that makes me happy. Absolutely not. I think I got to do a lot more than I expected to do in this film. It's like everybody's been saying, bigger, better, and I have absolutely no complaints. Usually, I would be like, in fact, John was saying the other day that there was this action sequence where I was not supposed to be as involved in the scene. I was supposed to be on the side protecting somebody, but when he saw the trailer for Akira, that's when we were shooting it, he said, no, make her do the action in this scene as well. So honestly, I got a lot more that I could ask for, and I'm so happy with the way that it's turned out. Honestly, I'm very fond of action films, which is why even in the past I've been a part of a lot of action films, be it Rowdy Rathod, Dabangg 2, Son of Sardar. And, I just enjoy watching it as a genre. And every time I would be a part of those films, I would always watch my heroes and be like, when am I going to get to do this cool stuff? And that happened with Akira. And I couldn't be more thankful that it's carrying forward with a film like Force 2. And I really enjoy it, like I said. So I'm in a very good space, happy space. I will work hard to retain my tag that you have given me of this action queen. And I hope that I get to do more films like this as well in the future.
Avina?
खामोश का क्या ओपिनियन है? खामोश? हाँ या वो बहुत खुश है. वो तो पहले से ही जानते थे कि मैं कैसी हूँ, और अब उन्हें स्क्रीन पर देखने को मिल रहा है, तो वो बोल रहे हैं अब तुम्हारी असलियत बाहर निकल रही है. एंड ही इज़ वेरी हैप्पी, ही इज़ वेरी प्राउड. एक्चुअली ट्रेनिंग, मेरी मिक्स मार्शल आर्ट्स की ट्रेनिंग मुझे इस फिल्म में भी काम आई टू डू द एक्शन. इन टर्म्स ऑफ कैरेक्टर, आई थिंक कैरेक्टर इतनी अच्छी तरह लिखा गया था और इतना इंट्रीगिंग और इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर था, विच इज़ वाई आई डिड द फिल्म एज वेल. क्योंकि ये एक लड़की है जो स्ट्रॉन्ग हेडेड है, उसका अपना ओपिनियन है, शी इज़ एन अल्फा इन हरसेल्फ, वो अपने आप को किसी और से कम नहीं समझती. एंड वो एक आदमी की दुनिया में अपना काम कर रही है, एंड शी इज़ डूइंग रियली वेल. सो दीज एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ द कैरेक्टर आई फेल्ट अट्रैक्टेड मी टुवर्ड्स द फिल्म. एंड जो रॉ एजेंट बनना था, आई थिंक क्योंकि कैरेक्टर इतनी अच्छी तरह लिखा गया था, क्योंकि मैं अपने डायरेक्टर से बात करके उनसे समझना चाहती हूँ कि उनका क्या विजन है, वो कैसे पोर्ट्रे करना चाहते हैं इस कैरेक्टर को. उन्होंने बहुत हेल्प की मेरी. अदर देन दैट, आई थिंक जो कपड़े होते हैं, जो जब शर्ट, पैंट, जैकेट, गन का होल्स्टर आ जाता है, आपकी चाल ही बदल जाती है. दैट एड्स अ लॉट टू द कैरेक्टर एज वेल. सो आई फील एवरीथिंग वाज वेरी वेल laid out for me to play this character, and I'm really happy that
now there has been a lot of objection raised over the inclusion of Pakistani actors in Bollywood movies. Do you think we should encourage the talent of Pakistani actors, or the ban is justified?
Honestly, I would not like to comment upon that right now, but all I can say is that I'm not playing a Pakistani journalist. The film is just based on a book which was written by a Pakistani author. It's been adapted to Mumbai, and now let us get back to Force 2.